there. Today on Exploring the Local Life, we're headed to All Children's Park in Port Orange. So we are now leaving the park. There is a splash pad and a playground, which I guess you saw already, and a nature trail. So, and some tables. So you can have a picnic out here as well. I don't think they don't have any grills or anything like that. But we are now heading home, right? We have a good time, other than I guess bugs and I don't know. Yeah?
Yeah.
Daniel, pretend there were no bugs. Did you have fun? He had fun. He's just upset because I think he's hungry, and I guess he's getting bit by some bugs. I don't know. I am okay and Nadia's okay, so I guess to be safe he can wear some bug spray. All right, see you later.